You're looking to host a live shopping event? Hi there! Are you looking to host a live shopping event? Great! Live shopping events can be a fun and engaging way to connect with your customers and showcase your products. Here are some steps to help you plan and host a successful live shopping event. First, decide on the date and time for your event. Make sure to choose a time that is convenient for your audience and consider time zones if you have a global audience. Next, choose a platform for your event. We recommend that you host the live shopping session on your own website, either on your homepage or on a dedicated landing page. You can improve your reach by using our multicast feature and stream the video simultaneously on a social media platform. There are many platforms to choose from, including Facebook Live, Instagram Live, YouTube Live, and more. Consider which platform is best suited for your audience and products. Once you have chosen a platform, create a plan for your event. This should include the products you will be showcasing, the order in which you will present them, and any special offers or promotions you will be running. Make sure to promote your event in advance. This will help to build excitement and anticipation among your audience and encourage them to tune in. Use social media, email, and other marketing channels to let people know about your event and what they can expect. During the event, make sure to engage with your audience. Answer their questions, offer special deals, and provide value by sharing helpful information about your products. Finally, don't forget to follow up with your audience after the event. Thank them for participating and provide them with information on how to purchase the products they are interested in. By following these steps, you can host a successful live shopping event that connects with your audience and helps you drive sales. Happy shopping!